All right, so Trump administration expands ICE authority to detain refugees. This was written by Reuters. All right, the Trump administration has given immigration officers broader powers to detain legal refugees awaiting a green card to ensure that they are re-vetted, an apparent expansion of the president's wide-ranging crackdown on legal and illegal immigration, according to a government memo. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security, in a memo dated February 18th and submitted in a federal court filing, said refugees must return to government custody for inspection and examination a year after their administration into the United States. This detain and inspect requirement ensures that refugees are revetted after 1 year, aligns post administration vetting with that applied to other applicants for admission, and promotes public safety, the department said in a memo. Under U.S. law, refugees must apply for lawful permanent resident status 1 year after their arrival in the country. The new memo authorizes immigration authorities to detain individuals for the duration of the reinspection process. The new policy is a shift from the earlier 2010 memorandum, which stated that the failure to obtain lawful permanent resident status was not a basis for removal from the country and not a proper basis for detention. The DHS did not respond to a Reuters request for comment outside regular business hours. The decision has prompted criticisms from refugee advocacy groups. Afghan EVAC President Sean Van Diver called the directive a reckless reversal of long-standing policy and said it breaks faith with the people of the United States lawfully admitted and promised protection. HIAS, formerly known as the Hebrew Immigrant Aid Society, said the move will cause grave harm to thousands of people who were welcomed to the United States after fleeing violence and persecution. Under President Donald Trump, the number of people in ICE detention reached about 68,000 this month, up about 75% from when he took office last year. Trump's hardline immigration agenda was a potent campaign issue that helped win him the 2024 election. This is going to obviously be a problem. You guys got to remember the conservatives, MAGA, Trump, Republicans, they used to say the biggest problem was just illegal immigrants. Oh, we're just going after the ones who don't belong here. Well, now they're going after the ones who were legally allowed to come here, right? But we've seen that already. We've seen them go after people who were legal green card holders, people who were legal student visas, right? They've been attacking naturalized U.S. citizens nonstop, trying to find reasons to yank citizenship away from people. Like, this is insane. And so, of course, they're going to go after the people who were fleeing violence and persecution because they're not like